Good morning everybody, Happy New Year, welcome back. Today is just going to be a really quick short video. I'm really excited to say that today I got something in the mail from Neo. I haven't opened it up yet. I'm going to open it up for you right now. First I just want to tell you the story of how this came to be. So obviously I made a couple of Neo videos, just test drive and interview with some owners, and a lot of people watched them, so cool. About a week ago I went on the Neo app at the end of December and I made a post, my first ever post in the app. I said, hey, anybody wants to watch my videos about Neo, they're on YouTube. And also I said, I'd really like to go to Neo Day in Chengdu, and if anybody has a ticket or anything like that, let me know how to get one. So not even an hour, maybe 2 hours after I made that post, I got a phone call from a number I didn't know. I answered the phone and it was, hi, my name is so-and-so, I'm from Neo. And so okay, what's going on? And she said, oh, are you interested in going to Neo Day? So I said, yeah, of course, if possible, I'd love to go to Neo Day. So she said, okay, if really you can go, if you can fly to Chengdu, do everything on your own. We're not going to pay for anything, but we can get you a ticket. So we'll send you one, if you really can go. So I said, yeah, no problem. I can get away from my business for a couple of days. I can fly to Chengdu. Now is January 4th, and this just came in the mail. So I was actually hoping and waiting for it to come. This just came this morning, so we're going to open it up. Should be my ticket for Neo Day, so let's look at it. Okay. So let's see what we got. I just opened it up, and first of all, on the inside of the flap, it has the contents of what you get. You see it has a face mask, Neo Day ticket, so 3 face masks, Neo Day ticket, a welcome letter, and a reminder card. So let's keep on going, see what's in here. First we have our welcome letter, and it's in Chinese, and it's written in a very hard to read font, so I'm not going to have much success reading that. If it was typed out like a computer type font, I could read it, but it's like a handwritten font, so sorry. It says something about Neo Day, Pangyo, friend. Okay. So we got our 3 Neo Day masks. That's pretty cool. Perfect for pandemic events. And then we have our Neo Day reminder. Let's see what this says. It says, dear friend, welcome, welcome to take part in Neo Day 2020 in Chengdu. It says, Neo Day company, Ini and Itu, I don't know, man. I think it's just basically saying the theme of the Neo Day, always forward. This year our theme is always forward. Something about don't forget something, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Sorry, my Chinese is not good enough to read all that. And then I have a Neo Day ticket. And looks like I am at the 2nd floor, section 204. So I don't know if it's going to be a good seat. I'll try to figure it out. So there we go. I got masks, 3 masks, a ticket, a letter, a nice envelope, and a reminder. So there we go. Thank you, Neil, for sending me that. And I just want to say, besides thank you to Neil, if you're watching these videos and you think like I'm sponsored by Neil or anything like that, I'm not. They didn't say I have to make a video. They didn't say anything at all. They just said here's a ticket, basically. I don't need to make a vlog. I don't need to make a review of Neo Day, nothing like that. They're not paying me. They're not paying for my flight, and they're not paying for my hotel. So it's all cost is borne by me, aside from the ticket they gave me. So for anybody that wants to see Neo Day, make sure you subscribe and follow me. Now, a lot of you know I'm not like a car expert or anything like that. I'm not going to give any kind of review on the car or whatever's revealed there necessarily. I plan to maybe make a vlog or 2 about the experience of going to Neo Day. If you have anything you'd suggest, please leave it in the comments in this video so I can prepare. Anything you want to see, any questions, if there's anybody I can talk to at all, just please let me know. I'm sure I won't make like a rundown of everything I see at Neo Day, because by the time I edit like a vlog or something, it's already going to be out there on the news. it doesn't matter what I see or what I say. You already know all the information. So basically, I'm just gonna make a vlog or two of Neo Day of Chengdu, and you guys are welcome to follow along. I would really appreciate that. And one final housekeeping note. I mentioned in the cafe video, the last one, people want to donate, and like, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it, but you don't have to. I've already started getting donations, and like, it's great. But two things about that, two things. The first one is, please, if you do donate, I would really love a message to pass on to a customer or pass on to a local. Tell me maybe where you're from. Say, hi, I'm Joe from Argentina, and I really like to treat you to a coffee or something, just something simple, something nice, something kind. Whatever the case may be, because I've got a few donations, and again, I don't want something for nothing. I don't want you to just give me money. I would like to maybe make something out of it, make something positive. So please, if you do this, give me like a way to share with other people. And also, I got a few questions about PayPal. I really feel weird like asking you for money. I'm not asking you for money, but there's a PayPal link below. So anyway, I appreciate it, and Happy New Year to everybody, and thank you all for following me and subscribing and supporting me. So I'll see you guys in Chengdu on Neo Day, January 9th. So thanks guys, and thanks Neo for making this possible. So cool. Bye bye.